She can't hear. Oh, hold on. I gotta turn my phone on. I think she's trying to call me. Hold on. Oh! This is my screensaver right here. Hold up. Look at this. Oh yeah, it's like this. I don't know if you can see this shit, but this shit right here is like from that. So like, I don't feel like zooming in, but like all this shit is like from that. You can pick this shit up. I gotta vacuum this shit, but I haven't had like no time to vacuum. And then like the back and the trunk is like corroded. I showed y'all that in like another vlog, but like the back is like corroding and shit. Like it's the fucking worst. What the fuck is she? What the fuck is she doing? Can I vlog in peace?
Why are you trying to vlog?
Why this nigga? Oh, hey, fuck off. Can he say, hey, don't zoom in me, motherfucker.
I told you once already.
I gotta tell you something. I gotta tell you some shit, okay?
Shit.
No. Why is she vlogging me? Like, why she video? I'm about to fucking. Alright, shit. Motherfucker, this is. Hey, I gotta take a shit. This nigga vlogging me. I'm recording me. Oh, what the fuck? Hey, fuck you. I'm trying to vlog in peace and she won't let me. Yeah. Hey, you fucking zoom in on me. Yo, I gotta tell you some shit for real though. Yeah. Oh, fuck it. I'm fucking cut my car off. These are IHOP motherfuckers. This nigga get happy over every fucking thing.
Not everything.
She gets happy if you breathe air.
Not even. I mean, yeah,
I mean,
to make sure you're
happy.
alive.
Yeah, I hope you're happy to breathe air, because if you're not, then that's not good. What?
I gotta worry about something.
Link
Do you
down
want me to
below.
move this?
Yeah. Ambitious Whips.
Thank
Link
you.
down below. You already know. Cash photography.
You said you was
Link
gonna
down
wear
below.
the
you know.
Ambitious Whip shirt.
I'm trying to record the car, but yo, this truck look good as fuck. This nigga flying like shit too. But his truck look good as fuck though. Like it looks low as fuck from like my angle. Come on, Vince, bro, what you doing? Right now we're just waiting for them to get in. JBM just rolled. I think we're still just waiting on our crew. But sorry if the thing is blurry. It's just like I don't feel like fixing it. But because we were at the other Six Flags, then they moved here. So like I think we're just waiting on the crew. So I catch y'all. I'm about to get some more footage. He's like, what the? They like, what the? Who the fuck is she talking to? I forgot the music was playing, so I probably can't listen to like half this shit. Sense for you. Hey, who you revving that, boy? Is that the homie? Is that Brian? What's up? Hey, look at that. Hey, gang shit right there. Oh shit, I didn't even know he was with us. There we go. I'm about to.
All I had was
Gang shit.
Okay, hold on, shit.
Yo, these little things, like, they fast as hell. The homie, I think the homie Ham has one. I think he sold his. He has a Mini Cooper. This is Ben's new truck. Look at this cockeyed head. Hey, this nigga bad. My stock ass shit, bruh. Damn, son. I don't want to even get too close to this shit. Is bad as fuck. Shit, bro. You got two though. I think. This shit is nice as fuck. Yeah. Oh, he a sleeper too. Right here. I thought he was about to mess with me. Look at that shit, son. Dang shit. This shit is like still bright. There they go. They starting already. That's Matt. But Jonathan is like up that way. Let me see if I can get him on camera in like a little bit. This is a crew. Fucking stalker shit. That shit right there is making me hella fucking nervous. Yeah. That's the fucking truck I've been waiting on right there. That way. But I forgot her name right there. Is that freaking Oscar?
Yeah.
Hold up, is this what I think it is? I don't think it is. Oh, I think that's the dude. Oh shit, this the one. What you gonna be putting on Instagram and shit? This nigga funny, bro. I never met him in person. I just always see the car like on Instagram.
Take it all the way to the end, yeah, and go on.
Well, hopefully, look at this. Y'all can't. Y'all wish I had my freaking stabilizer, bro.
I went 2 You went even, so I only had to go. Wait a minute, I'm 2.
This car?
Right.
I see this car a lot, like on Instagram and shit.
I would say go up one more, like he did. That way to.
It's probably dark.
Go up. Oh, yeah, like you had yours. And then leave the back the way it is. Yeah.
Is that a poncho?
Yeah. He converted.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed. And keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.